What is up, YouTube tool tubers of the world? My name is Brad. Welcome to the Workbench, and we have the month of April's exclusive Inside Track Club coupons for members only. This is the whole monthly big list, 205 coupons to look at. So that's going to mean I'm not going to dilly-dally around every single coupon. If you see something you like, pause the video, take a screenshot, and take it into the store with you to get scanned. But anyways, let's get into looking at some of these coupons, see what deals are to be found, and at the end of the video, I'm going to share some other coupons that are not in this list, that are just regular coupons, like $50 off the new titanium plasma cutter. Hell of a coupon there. Like I said, it's going to be at the end of the video. Let's just look at the Inside Track Club coupons right now. First up, we have the small 13-gallon dust collector. Now, if you're in a small shop or you need a mobile dust collector, this is a great little unit. I have the Craftsman version in my shop. Works flawlessly. Now, it's not quite saving you 20% at $129, but with Central Machinery now being an excluded item, that's really the best we can ask for. If this is the first time you've happened to stumble across one of my videos, I just want to say hi. I also want to let you know that mid-month, every month, I come back and I show the best coupons Harbor Freight has to offer for that month. I show only coupons that will save you 30% or better, and I try to help you weed through the Harbor Freight marketing garbage that they have, because lots of times a 20% off coupon will save you more than a coupon price. And then I also usually have a section showing coupons for excluded items, items you cannot use a 20% coupon on. So that usually helps a lot of people out. Usually lots of toolboxes, welders, generators, stuff like that. You're saving $2 on the Warrior flap disc there to the left. I don't really like that deal. I think you can get much better flap disc at a similar price at Northern Tool. You can get a 5-pack of the clutch flap disc for like 12 bucks, maybe 14 bucks. And I think they last a hell of a lot longer than the Harbor Freight ones do. Coming up is an item I've been waiting for to go on sale. They've had the 3-inch, the 2-inch. Now finally, the size I like, the 1-inch chip brushes. Pack of 36, I believe, for $7. I love these things to have in the shop. They have so many uses. I wouldn't stain or put any kind of finish on with these because the hairs do come out. For 40 bucks, you can get some Harbor Freight bed liner. Anybody use this? Leave a comment down below because I'm kind of curious if it's any good, and I'm sure other people might be as well. We got a digital caliper over there to the right that's $6. I say hold off on that one. Wait till the coupon comes out for the $10 one that has fractions, decimal, and metric. And it's a much better made one. I believe it's made out of stainless steel, and it's only $10. I've been very happy with it. In fact, a video is coming out on it soon. Well, I guess I might as well tell you, since you're my Harbor Freight guys right here. I'm coming out with a series. The first video, which will be coming out next week, is my top 5 favorite hand tools from Harbor Freight. I'm going to do my top 5 favorite power tools the next week, top 5 favorite shop supplies, and then my worst 5 tools from Harbor Freight. Now, I keep saying next week, they're not going to be right in a row. I don't like to flood my channel with nothing but Harbor Freight stuff. I like a variety of things, so there might be a different kind of tool review thrown in there. It's just whatever happens to be coming up next in line. But those videos will be coming out, you know, within a couple weeks of each other. So hit that subscribe button. Make sure you don't want to miss out on that. And that's a hell of a deal. If you need a 10-gauge extension cord, $25 is 25 feet. 10 gauge will run anything off of 110 you want it to. Coming up, we got a set of rotary rasps. Now, you're supposed to be able to put these in a drill or a die grinder. I've tried them in both. I can't get them to work. In a drill, they don't cut. In a die grinder, all they do is burn the wood. If you're in need of a tool like this for wood, look at the Cuts-All burrs. If you're in need of a tool like that for metal, you should be looking at a double cut carbide burr. But please do not buy Harbor Freight's overpriced carbide burrs they just came out with. Go on Amazon. They got plenty of Chinese made carbide burrs that actually work very well. The Chinese know what they're doing with their carbide. Coming up, we got some Hardy gloves. Now, these are the gardening versions for $4. I like the black ones with the black rubber palm. Now, they only last a month or two for me wearing them at work when I'm allowed to, when we don't have to have impact gloves. But they're my favorite because you can still feel nuts and bolts through them. They're nice and tight. They're comfortable to wear. They won't offer you the most protection on your knuckles or anything. But I like them a little better than wearing latex gloves. Because for me, it seems like every time I'm right in the middle of doing something critical, my glove will tear and I just end up getting stuff all over my hands anyways, because I'm not going to stop what I'm doing to go get a new pair of gloves. We got an 8-inch digital caliper for 20 bucks. I've never used the 8-inch, but if you need it, I do recommend some of the other ones, so you might want to take a look at it. We got the gallon jug of Evaporust going on sale for 20 bucks. That's about the Amazon price for it typically. Sometimes you can find it on Amazon on sale for $16. Now, are there cheaper alternatives to get rust off of metal? Yes, there are. But the Evaporust is just nice because you ain't got to worry about it getting on your hands. If you leave something in there too long, it's not going to just disintegrate the metal like hydrochloric acid will do. So I've enjoyed Evaporust. I pick it up when I can find it on sale, and then I just keep it around. You got the hose clamp pliers going away for $10. They were up there though, the orange handle ones. They're actually black handled in the store I got them, but I did finally pick them up, and I love them. They're so much easier to get fuel lines off of like carburetors and stuff with the actual pliers meant to do the job. If you need some extremely long extensions, they're on sale for $12.99. Now if you use a 20% coupon, you'll save an extra $1. So it just depends. You might be going in there one trip and want to use that coupon for the extensions and your 20% coupon for a larger priced item or something else that doesn't already have a coupon for it. Again, a big part of shopping at Harbor Freight and saving the most money is knowing the Harbor Freight games. Maybe I should do a video on it, because I mean, I go into Harbor Freight and I see people checking out without using any coupons. You should always get a free item. You should always have a coupon for at least, 75% of your items you have, in my opinion, because they put coupons on almost everything. Lots of times I'll be standing in checkout, see somebody checking out without using any coupons, and I just want to stop them and say, hey, you could save some money here. And sometimes it's people with significant items. Maybe I should just start doing that. And then I'll tell them about my YouTube channel so they can learn the Harbor Freight games. We'll see. Who knows? I'm just spitballing here. Coming up is the 48-inch aluminum bar clamp. And I'm talking about it early because I wanted you to know that you can save 40% on this item here. And it's usually a limit of 4 or 5 per visit. This is the time it's good to be an Inside Track Club member. You can save 40% on up to 4 of those items per visit. So if you need clamps, stock up on them. And those clamps do have a lifetime warranty. I have had the threads kind of strip out in them or just kind of gunk up. They're not the best built stuff, but I just throw them in the floorboard of my truck when they do screw up. And the next time I happen to be going to Harbor Freight, I warranty them all out. Now, I'll be honest, there's not a whole lot of good coupons left to the end of the video, but don't leave, because after the coupons, we're going through some item coupons, and they had the plasma cutter. They do have a band file coupon coming up here for like $32. I think I'm finally going to get one because an electric band file I think could be very handy getting into tight spots. The little belts aren't too expensive. I might have to pick that up this time. The saw blades, don't even mess with. I bought one just to try it. They are terrible. Just go ahead and spend the money on Diablo. You can't cheap out on your blades. Now normally this is where I end the video, but I happen to see a lot of good like % off item coupons. So we're going to show those real quick. Of course, we're going to start off with your typical 20% off for April coupon. Take a screenshot of that. You should always keep that in your phone just in case you happen to be running through Harbor Freight. We also have a special 25% off during Easter, as you can see, April 11th through April 12th. It's just the Easter weekend. Hopefully you can get down there if you have a big ticket item you've been waiting for. Here's another coupon that you should always have on your phone. There's no expiration date, as you can see. I have used this personally. It's a valid coupon. Now this coupon I definitely want to make sure people saw, not because it saves you a ton of money. I mean, $50 is significant, but it's an $800 item. Take what you can get, right? So $50 off the plasma cutter, which is an excluded item. Just like these new Atlas tools are also an excluded item, but you can take $20 off. Now me, personally, I'm not too excited about the Atlas stuff. I think their price is just a little high for the market right now. Maybe they'll come down, maybe they won't. We'll just have to see where the dart lands on the Harbor Freight pricing guide, aka a dartboard. Okay, and just in case somebody might be looking at the icon storage, there's your 20% off. I don't recommend it. Again, it's overpriced, but if you're gonna buy it, you might as well use a coupon. So as the last few coupons roll by, I just want to say thanks for coming by. Hope it helped save you some money. That's the only reason I do these videos, to share my experience with products so you don't make the same mistakes I already have. And after the outro, stay tuned for a couple videos you might also enjoy watching by yours truly. But until next time, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down there, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace!